They said, we're so happy it doesn't even look like the same deck. I'm Anthony Ford, the proprietor of Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, and it's deck restoration painters, rescue painters. And I'm up here in Liberty Township, Ohio, near Hamilton, sort of kind of in between Hamilton and Liberty Township. And what we have here is a deck that just about 48 hours ago was on the verge of replacement. What we call tear down to the frame replacement, redecking. Why? Extremely weathered wood, rotten boards, and peeling deck paint. What's transpired in the last 48 hours has been what we call deck rescue painting with peeling deck paint, lockdown encapsulation via the world's toughest deck armor, Kong Armor, the lifetime deck armor system. Kong, as a deck coating, has a special ability. It has the ability to lock down and encapsulate peeling deck paint, peeling bare deck over, flaking, disintegrating deck stains. Any of these coatings or thin residential deck paints and stains that peel, crack, blister up on decks, Kong can encapsulate them and lock them down for life. No sanding, no chemical peels, none of that stuff. It does it by brute force encapsulation. Of course, proper preparation is needed. We came in and we washed the structure, got all the loose peeling paint up off of here. We replaced all the cap rails. Okay, so all the cap rails on this deck, the top boards here, we replaced all of those. We replaced around approximately 10 deck boards here, the most severely weathered ones, rotten ones, ones that were cracked all the way through, splintering up, this type of stuff. We tightened up the railing systems, full repair and restoration. And then we brought in the almighty, the thick build, the high stretch, the ultra tough Kong Armor, lifetime deck armor system. And we performed the peeling deck paint, lockdown encapsulation. And what a transformation. The owners are so happy. They're like, man, it's a completely different deck. And it is. And that's the thing. Old weathered decks here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, 98% of them do not need replacement. Most of them simply need restoration. They have some rotten boards or bad or expired boards that need replaced. They need general maintenance. They need tightened. They need small, little, tiny things, right? And then they need a proper coating system. It's typically the years of protection with thin residential deck paints and stains that gets these structures in bad condition where the owners believe they need replacement and they really don't, right? If you can find a coating to encapsulate peeling deck paint, we got it, Kong Armor, right? And you have the ability to repair and replace what's bad all in one shot. We can save any deck in the tri-state from replacement. Now, look here. I'll show you a little custom repair that we did. This area here, we had a couple rot cavities. Then we dug these out and we treated them with something that we call silverback epoxy. It's the world's toughest deck post crack filler, general repair epoxy for decks. So it cures 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. Like this repair now, we filled this area in with that silverback and knifed it flat. Obviously, we've coated over it and closed it off and protected it, right? But I could beat on this repair with a hammer and that silverback epoxy would not bust. It's just absurdly tough. We took a silverback epoxy and we also injected it into all the large deck post cracks on this structure. So anywhere on this structure, look how beautiful our deck posts finish. No cracks, no large ugly knots, voids, any of that type of stuff. That's from that silverback epoxy getting injected into our large cracks, and then us ultimately coating over them, right? So that was a big part of this lockdown encapsulation as well. Just look at this color. It's called Mallard Duck. It's an extremely beautiful deck color. We don't get to use it that often. You know what they say about greens? Geniuses pick greens. But it really is a beautiful color, and it works very well next to lakes, things like that, homes that have light siding. But look at the splinter lock technology of Kong. Look at the high build industrial elastomer. You can run your hands through this. You won't get any splinters. It has all the frayed wood, all the splinters locked down, right? Now, we talk about the sun and how it damages decks a lot here in the tri-state. It's a lot bigger deal than what most people think. It's a very powerful source that causes UV damage to the surfaces of decks. Kong, how it deals with it is twofold. Number one, it's got up to 98% UV deflection in it. We call it UV block. The rays come down. Kong, it's got little tiny microscopic like particles in its film. They're like little tiny mirrors. And those rays hit those mirrors, and those mirrors deflect it back up into the atmosphere. But secondly, it's super thick, 30 to 60 times thicker and immeasurably tougher than thin residential deck paints and stains. So what happens is any of those rays that do get through, they're not powerful enough to go all the way through the film, reach the wood, and obliterate adhesion like thin residential deck paints. That's what happens with your all's thin residential deck paints. That doesn't happen to Kong because of its thick build, right? Just a beautiful transformation here. I'm so happy for these deck owners. They went from what I call deck leprosy, on the verge of replacement, to having a beautiful, drop dead gorgeous, high build, ultra tough Kong Armor lifetime deck armor system. Why do we keep saying lifetime deck armor system, right? Well, Kong, here in Cincinnati, northern Kentucky, southeast Indiana, it's locally backed for life. It's a coating system for decks, outdoor structures, gazebos, docks, whatever. Typically decks, that's what we focus on. It's a coating system that can protect decks for life. And how it does so is it comes with a lifetime warranty, lifetime limited warranty that protects the deck owner against large scale peeling, bubbling, chipping, cracking, any of this type of stuff. If you can show that to Kong, we'll fix it for free for life. Labor and coating, that's unmatched anywhere in the United States right now. It also comes with another very powerful component. Remember, it's a system, so it's more than just coating. It's the world's toughest deck armor paired with a warranty, the best in the nation, plus that we call a lifetime service promise. And here's our service plaque. It's got our phone number. It's got our website, right? It's got the Kong Gorilla on it, right? But that service promise does is it gives the deck owner the opportunity to embrace annual cleaning with us professionally, and it gives them an affordable locked-in rate for touch-ups, for little minor things that aren't covered by warranty, somebody chipping up the front of a step or something like that. This particular coating system, anything really, it comes with a service promise where we can easily touch up the industrial elastomer for life. That's one of the great benefits of Kong Armor, is its ease of touch-up. It can be applied, and even 5, 6, 7, 8 years later, simply and easily be touched up, be a brush stroke, and it'll blend right back out. And that's the benefit of the lifetime deck armor system. It saves your deck from peeling paint, protects it, encapsulates it in armor, and then you get the system features and benefits that keep it healthy, protected for life, and you never do full deck painting or deck staining cycle again. So you save up front when you avoid deck replacement, and then as the years tick on, you save even more each time you skip a deck refinishing cycle. Just a gorgeous mallard deck structure. Tell you what, right here from Liberty Township, Hamilton, Ohio, we service all of the greater Cincinnati, northern Kentucky, southeast Indiana area. What you need to do to save your deck from peeling paint, peeling bare deck over, extremely weathered wood, any of that type of stuff, bring it roaring back to life for life, is go right here. Go right here to this website, click on the Get Quote button right there at the top of the site, and I'll come out and I'll meet with you and I'll talk with you personally, and I'll see how we can help you get your deck back to fully restored, armor encapsulated, and drop dead gorgeous. KongArmor.com. Go there now and take that action. See ya.